What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of this tiny little thrift store. Well, it's actually kind of big, but it's small for the area. Let's head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. They have a little electronics room back here. We're gonna check that out. Hopefully we find maybe some video games. Haven't found video games in the wild in a long time. Let's do it. What do they got back here? Lots of donations. Holy moly. All right, what do we see? Oh, I see a Lego set. Looks cool. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Little record player. Kodak carousel. All right, I know I didn't film much in there. I got to talking and I ended up grabbing the Atlantis Lego set for $4. We opened it up. It was missing this king squid guy and this white squid, but it had everything else. It had these two minifigures and it actually had an extra just character. So for $4, I figured why not? I'll grab it. And then I needed some nails and I found these American made nails. They were gonna charge me 50 cents for it, but I let them keep the change, so I paid $1. So $5 for some nails and a Lego set that I'll sell this for pieces and I could use nails. So we'll take it and we'll go to another store. Outside of Gucci Will. Haven't been to this one in quite a while, so hopefully they are fully stocked on cool stuff to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, right up front, they got a whole bunch of media, and the guy was just here. I don't know where he went, but he was just stocking up on new CDs. So maybe I'll do a little bit of scanning, but I could always come back over here. Scanning CDs is a little boring. Let's look over here. Look at all these DVDs. See, I'm better with DVDs because I could kind of look at things and pick out what I believe is good without having to scan a bunch. So like this right here, what is Jacob's Harvest? Usually these little families DVDs are not worth anything. I see them all the time, so I doubt that's anything. Stand-up comedy is usually not so good, so we'll leave that. What do we see here? Anything sealed? What's this? How I Saved the President. Again, another families DVD. Probably nothing. So I'll do a tiny bit of scanning if I find anything. You guys will see it. Alright, so we found one DVD set that was worth it. This Great Ideas of Philosophy. These Great Courses DVDs are usually really good. You'll find them sealed pretty often, except at least I do, and I don't see a price on it, but I assume it's going to be like what all the other DVDs were, $2 to $3, something like that. And the thing about these sets that you want to keep an eye out for, the book. A lot of times you'll find the sealed DVDs, but they don't come with the book, and that hurts the value dramatically. I'll pop up the price so you guys can see. On Amazon, this is selling for like $31, so hopefully it's only that $2 to $3. We'll find out soon. You guys can see my Woody Band-Aid. I cut myself today. But taking a look up above here at all the games, you're seeing a whole bunch of awesome sealed stuff, just like I was. We have Catch the Vibe, brand new sealed. We have this hand-to-hand wombat game, Great American Mail Race, really cool. I'm a little crabby, all sealed, which is awesome. One big downside, they're all from Target, so they're marked up $10 for that game. This one's 15. This one right here is 12, so there's no profit in it. They sell for close to that on Amazon right now. What else do we have here? Horizons of Spirit Island for $15. Definitely too expensive. I'm curious to see, so what they're supposed to do usually is price half of what Target had it at. I'm gonna peel this back and let's see what Target had this marked down at. Alright, so it was a pain to peel back and it's hard to tell. See, it was originally $30 and then Target had it on sale for $12.99. You can see the 1, the 2, and then the 9.9. Oh, actually that might be a 4. $14.99. So then Goodwill's actually pricing it a penny higher than Target. Kind of interesting. Interesting way to do business. I don't know. What else? Let's check out this one. Let's see if I could. No, that didn't have a sticker. We'll try this one and hope it doesn't peel. Oh yeah, you could see right through actually. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. It's hard to tell. It says $5.99 is what Target was selling this for. So they're selling for almost double. Yeah, no, that's crazy. That's crazy. We'll leave them. Now the things not from Target are what you want to find. This is a blue sticker, so That's great. White stickers come from Target. This is brand new sealed 1980s edition Monopoly. Let's scan it in. I don't know if it's actually selling for a bunch. Here we go. Here's the barcode. We'll scan it in together and see if it's any good. It was at TJ Maxx, and I'm using the Amazon seller app. We're gonna hit the barcode, scan it in. All right, here it is. The artwork's taking a while to load up, but this is the listing. There we go. Selling for $27.99. You'll make $13.22. They're asking $8. So what is that? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You'll only make about $5. So, I mean, it's quick money, but I think I'm going to leave it behind because shipping something like this is kind of a pain. If it was $3, $4, I'd grab it. I guess it's not bad if you want it for yourself, but for my purposes, we're just going to leave it behind. So there's some really cool games in here, but sadly we are priced out of pretty much every single one of them. That happens from time to time, so who knows if this video will even go live. If it doesn't, then you won't see this. But if it does, that means I actually found some stuff. So we're going to keep looking. We're going to go check out more sections of the store. I can't let this minor inconvenience slow me down. What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. Gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. All right, they have 75% off white, blue, and 50 off red. Not bad. Let's go. So I thought I found something really cool right here. We have a whole stack of graphic novels, and I got pretty stoked, but then I scanned them in, and the ranks are crazy high, and they're selling for about 27 bucks. So, you know, if they were $1 or $2 each, you'd make some great money. But take a look at this. Let's see. Here's that Captain Marvel one I just scanned. $15. This Captain Marvel, $15. This Squadron Supreme, $15. Crazy overpriced. So they're gonna sit here. Gotta leave them. All right, we are in the electronics section. I found this guy right here. These things sell super well. These Panasonic KP310s. Sell them for about 30 bucks or so. You can find the model number right on the back. Let's see if you can see that. There we go, KP310. These things sell awesome, these pencil sharpeners. Keep an eye out for them at $3.99. That's a definite pickup. We also found this Clue right here. Sells really well. Take a look at that price right there, $7.99. I'll pop the price up here on the screen for you guys. Selling for, I think it was 40, 50 bucks. So pretty solid. It might even be going for a little bit more than that. So definitely grabbing both of those. We had to leave the media and the games. There was just no money there. So we're checking out electronics. You can see they have a whole bunch of electronics here. We have an Xbox 360 for 40 bucks, but wasn't blue 75% off? It's actually not terrible. It has the 120 gigabyte hard drive and a PS3 right next to it. Oh, this has the 4 USB ports, which means it's backwards compatible. No clue if it works. It looks to be in kind of rough shape. $70 though. But these sell for, I think, 200 plus, the backwards compatible models. This would be a pickup, but it's missing all of its cords and controller. Probably have to leave it behind. So over here, I notice a bunch of game cords and stuff like that. We have AV cables for an Xbox 360. We have controllers. This is the Viper 2. Never even heard of that. We have Wii remotes and nunchucks. I think what they do is pull them all off of the systems and sell the parts by themselves. So you got to go buy a system for $40, $50, $60, $70 and then come here and buy the cords for another $5 and the controller for another $8. So that's kind of a pain in the butt. I'm not 100% sure if that's what happens. And here's another Xbox 360 AV cable for $5. So it seems to be like that. I don't know, unless they keep the cables up front. Maybe, you know, I'm gonna go ask a worker real quick. There's an Atari flashback. Oh, what's this down here? Let's see if I could get to it. Oh, a little plug-and-play Yoda game for $3.99. That might have some value. This is kind of interesting, but I'm gonna go ask an employee if they keep the cords in back for the consoles on the electronic shelf. If I needed a little more confirmation, this might be it. I found an entire wall of these power bricks for $13. Here's another one for $13. Another Xbox power brick for $13. I don't see any PlayStation ones, but yeah, that's what I think they're doing here, is getting the console and then parting it out completely. Interesting way to do it. All that's doing is dissuading me from buying the PS3 because I cannot find any of the cords. I also can't find an employee right now, so I have no way of asking until I go to checkout. So it's kind of a pain, but we're gonna keep looking for stuff. All right, so I came back to the front of the store to take a look at stuff, and I found a whole bunch of Bibles right here. But again, we're having another issue. Take a look at these prices. $12.99, $19.99. What the heck? Another Bible, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 20 bucks each, another 20. I mean, let's scan them in, see if they're actually selling for anything, because maybe they're selling for $40, $50, but I doubt it. Let's see, I have my Amazon seller app here pulled up. Slide out this book and try to scan this barcode right here. Let's see what happens. All right, there we go. And none of these are new. They're all definitely used. Brand new, it's selling for $27.49, used $23.48. So you'd make 10 bucks. So it's pretty close to that price. We'll check this women's Bible out real quick at 20. Let's see what this one's going for. Yeah, same situation here. Selling for 30, so you'd make 16 bucks. So there's zero profit in these. I don't know anybody coming to a thrift store to spend 20 bucks on a Bible, but we'll try this one more out here and just get our last confirmation that we need on the prices. All right, let's scan this guy in. All right, what do we got? Oh, this one's actually pretty good. Used, selling for 48. Rank is a little high, but not terrible, so it's gonna sell. I'd make $12 and there's no FBA offers. So we actually found a decent one here that would be just about worth the 20. Now that's up to you guys. What would you do? Would you spend $20 to make $12 profit on a thrift store book? I mean, there's money there, but what a shame. I'm gonna put it back on the shelf, even though it's not a terrible buy. Let's see what they got over here. Let's see these prices. Yeah, look at that. All of these random books. Just basic non-fiction. You're looking at $7.99, $5.99, $7.99. Holy cow. What is it? These books used to be $1 to $2, and they're all $6 to $8. Inflation's hitting the thrift store, it seems. That's wild. That is wild. So one of the Bibles that I thought was decent was this one right here, the MacArthur Study Bible. And if you take a look, it is all chopped up and ripped up down there. Now that's not terrible, but this isn't something that you could even sell in very good condition on Amazon. So even though you'd make about $12 profit, you'd have to go cheaper than that cheapest person. So odds are you'd make about $9 profit. Spending 20 on a book, it's just not there. So that can stay up on the shelf. And our cart's not looking too good. We only got 2 items. Granted, these 2 items have decent profit, but we got to find a couple more. Let's do it.
All right, I hate to do this, but again, we have another really high-priced item, a 15-pound weight for $20. $20. You know, prices can be different every single time you go into the thrift store, and this time it's just not one of those good days.
What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside the thrift store. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it.
All right, so all of these videos were filmed over the course of a couple days, and this is what you normally see when you go out thrifting, right? Prices are high, not a lot of things are in stock. So I waited until I had enough footage to put together a full video, and just so happens that this day I go back to this thrift store just a couple days later, and it is loaded with stuff. So I'm able to start grabbing a bunch of good stuff. We have brand new sealed DVD sets, Gilligan's Island. Look how much it's going for $1.99 purchase. That's awesome. We have a Cards Against Humanity little toy box thing for $1.99. Look how much this is going for. And this is why you can't give up. You have to go back and check every day, right? We have a Lego Harry Potter set, and this thing's expensive. It is $39.99, but take a look at that price. It is still selling for great money, so I'm gonna grab it. Because why not, right? What do we have here? A puzzle, a 2,000-piece puzzle, brand new sealed. I scan everything that is brand new sealed. This is $5.99. Gonna make some great profit on it. Take a look. Yep, going home with me. What else do we got in here? Another puzzle, a Ravensburger. Ravensburger puzzles tend to sell for a decent amount, and at $7.99, kind of expensive, but there is money in it. So we're going to take this with us also. And we have two more items in here. Another game, Past the Pandas. Never heard of it before, but for $5.99, there is enough money in it for me to grab it. And the last thing is another puzzle. I got lucky with the puzzles today. $5.99, I think, for this. Oh, $7.99. Uh-oh. For this jigsaw puzzle, but still gonna make some great profits. So they're all going in the cart, and that's why you gotta go back and check. Don't get dissuaded if you go to 2, 3, 4 thrift stores and you don't find anything. Just keep going, and that's why I'm always able to find great stuff to flip. All right, here's something pretty funny I wanted to show you guys. This Star Wars toy here for $79.99, and the workers wrote new complete. And I have some gripes with that because they wrote complete on the box in Sharpie, so that's kind of a pain. But if you take a look at the bottom, there's literally a sticker that says refurbished product and another sticker that says refurbished. So it's not new, and the sides look like they were retaped up. I'm like, this thing isn't new. But red was 25% off, I believe. It might have even been 50% off. So this was anywhere from $40 to $60. Even at that $80, most people are walking right by it. That's why it's still on the shelf. I decided to scan it in and take a look at this. It's selling used for $120. You'll make 95 bucks on it. I think it was half off. So I'm spending 40 bucks to make about 50. Yeah, I'm going to grab it. It's going in the cart. I also got this cool Harry Potter game right here, brand new sealed. This thing is pretty sweet. You don't find older games like this sealed all the time for $7.99. Great price. Take a look at how much it's selling for. This is definitely coming home with me. Do we have anything else in the cart here? Nope. We're going to keep looking and hopefully we find some more cool stuff. Wait, we found something. A Clue Junior brand new sealed. I love selling this game. I sell it all the time. The box has a little bit of damage. The back is a little dented in. That happens from time to time. It's not the end of the world. So I'm going to scan it in real quick. Let's see if this one's good live with the Amazon Seller app. Here we go. Scan it in and yep, take a look at that. Great rank. Selling used for 30 bucks. New for, come on, 37. So if I want to sell it used with that little bit of box damage at 30, I could. If I want to sell it new for 37, I could. Maybe split the difference somewhere in there because it is brand new sealed. That is awesome. That is some easy profits in the cart. Let's go.